Hi, it's Jan from Velemobile World. It has been for a long time radio silence here. That doesn't mean we were doing nothing. We've been very busy with a couple of projects which I cannot share yet with you. One project I can share is we have renovating our filming studio / training center. So we use this area to train our employees. We train them, we video record this, and we gonna retrain and retrain our team members in order we go up and up and up in level and quality and in efficiency. Also, this we will use as a studio. So we gonna make a new series of maintenance videos to show you in more detail how easy it is to do maintenance. In this way, we help you and the community to do the maintenance of their Velemobile, of your Velemobile by yourself. Also, I want to announce you, the last video we made was about giveaway action. Like we ask you to send in some feedback, some nice pictures of you and your Velemobile. So on the end of the video, we will pick one of the winners. We have here the names of all the participants and we will take out the winner. But stick around on the end of the video. Today we make a little video about how to adjust your front brakes. Why? After a while the brakes are wearing out and it's very important for safety to adjust your front brakes. And we're gonna show you how in this video. First step, we check the braking response while pressing the brake. Then we tighten this nut until brake engages properly. You see the difference? Every repair tutorial we film is explained step by step with clear details so you can follow along and fix your own Velemobile. Perfect, the brakes are now adjusted and ready to go. If you want to see more tutorials like this, follow us. Yeah, so now let's see who is the lucky winner. So we're gonna mix it a bit. So the winner is Bill Ross. Congratulations, Bill. We will send you the GoPro in the coming days. So this is only a glimpse what we are doing. If you own a Velemobile and you want to know how to maintain your Velemobile properly, check our videos, check our website. And remember, we are here for you, so let us know if you need some help. Have a great day. Bye bye.